Hey, how are you doing? I want to take you to lunch today at a Michelin star restaurant. Don't worry, I'm buying. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to beautiful Chiang Mai. I am in the hustle and bustle of Chiang Mai, and I will get the exact location for you, but it's near the flower market down here near Old City, not too far away. But thank you for joining me, and I'm going to meet my friend Robert. I did a video with him. He's a school teacher, and he's really helped me, besides being a good friend, he's helped me find some unique places down here. So this is a noodle shop I want to take you to and talk about the Michelin designation that it has. Now, I don't fully understand the Michelin restaurant designation. I did a little bit of research, and I had no idea what Michelin star was up to a few years ago. Only Michelin that I knew was, the tower guy. But it goes from 1 star to 3 star, and the 1 star is that there's distinct ingredients used in the menu as far as the quality of food and things of that nature. My understanding is it's anonymous. The people who give this the designation, they don't go in there with their name tag on that says I'm from Michelin food observation community or whatever the case may be, but it's just based on when they go in anonymously and they order the food, they're able to judge it based on this right here. So let's just go take a look and see what we got here. Swadita. You found us a nice corner, did you?
Hey,
say hello, Robert.
Hi.
All right, let me get situated in here. All right, Robert, we're back on. So where exactly are we?
Well, viewers, we are we're what's considered, I guess, old Chinatown in Chiang Mai. We're kind of not that far from the river, and I had a look on ChatGPT last night to give a little bit of commentary. And apparently Chinese immigrants used to come to the area, I think it was around the end of the 19th century, beginning of the 20th century, and they kind of set up camp here near the river so they could do all their trading. And around here you got the old Chinese gates, you got the Chinese temple, you got the market, so a lot of old pharmacy stores as well too, so a really interesting area.
How did you find this place?
Just by chance. When we arrived in Thailand about a year ago, no, more than that, a year and a half. Wow, here we go. We stayed just up the road, and my wife and I, and we just kind of felt, we're walking past and came across it. Didn't find it on a Google search or anything, which is pretty amazing because apparently it's been getting Michelin awards. The last one was just this year actually. So, every time we come here it's packed. So
wow.
Yeah,
I know the last time, my first time coming here, I was really impressed, and one of the things I mentioned out front was the Michelin designation is based on the quality of the ingredients used.
Yeah.
Would you agree that this definitely deserves a star?
Yeah, and service is quick.
Yeah. So is this yours?
I believe that's your one.
Okay, so this is mine, and I had the tom yum, and this is a large bowl.
So you wouldn't get much bigger than that.
Yeah. And I think this ran me 90 baht, I believe. So, I mean, honestly, if I wasn't such a greedy guy, this probably lasts me 2 meals, but I'll probably end up eating it all. But let me show you up here on the wall what Robert just mentioned about the Michelin star. Hold on one second. There you go.
All right, viewers, we're back. Yeah, we have khao dang, which is red pork on rice, which isn't really a Thai dish. It's more of a dish that was brought, by the Chinese into Thailand. Stuff like red duck, also that's Chinese. Khao gai, which is steamed chicken on rice, that's also Chinese. But this is a very popular. It's the equivalent of having a burger at McDonald's. It's a quick, convenient food that a lot of people eat at lunch, especially. Workers come out for an hour, grab something to eat, and back they go. So, but very good, I must say.
Well, I'm going to let you dig in because I don't want your food to get cold.
Yeah.
Afterwards, we'll talk about whether we liked it, how much we liked it, and we'll go from there. See you in a little bit.
Okay.
All right, I don't know what happened there, but it shut down on me. We're still going.
Now this is a handicraft section.
Ah,
Plain baskets.
okay. So we're getting into the crafts now.
Yeah, it is.
We got baskets here. These are nice. 99 baht for some nice little sandals there. All right. Like I said, there's so much stuff to catch your attention here that you actually have to slow down or you'll miss everything.
Hey, look, Fred, the Chinese gold shop.
Chinese gold shop, which is out of my budget.
Yep.
This is so great. So for those of you who do not know, the Chinese make up a large percentage of the tourists that come here to Thailand, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so this building in here is kind of the market.
Okay, so this is one of the markets. I may come back and do a separate video on the Chinese market here, but we're down here in this area.
This is more a rock market. Now you've also got another section which sells fresh flowers too.
Okay, so there's a flower section. Oh man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come back here and do this all over again. At least get into the market and see what they have to offer. Yeah. I tell you what, Robert, we're coming to the end of this story right here.
Right.
I think this is a good place to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me. Hi.
Hey, foreigners.
We were just saying that. Hey, I don't see any foreigners here.
Oh no, I know your blog.
Oh, Faraway
YouTube.
Fred. Oh, thank
Hi,
you.
Fred, how are you?
I'm fine. Very nice to meet you. Yes, yes.
I'm a Fred Adam.
Nice to meet you. Where are you guys from?
Nancy, how are you?
Where are you from?
From the Netherlands.
Okay.
I'm from the States, but I was living in
What's your
Houston.
car?
And I think you were from Texas too, right? Before you moved here?
Oh no, I visited Texas to do a presentation, but I'm from Florida originally.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we came, well, I mean, I used to live in Bangkok, so we're up here kind of checking it out for considering living here.
Oh, okay. And we're back. So this happens more now, which I'm very happy of. So this couple that was passing by, you saw me sit and talk to them for a little bit. They're subscribers, and we just talked about their journey here. And then there was another guy, I think Jeremy, that came up and said, "Hey, I watch your channel." So it was pretty cool. But I just want to take a moment and thank Robert, because he invited me to lunch the first time to this place. I said, I really want to cover this place because it's a very nice place. Tell me what you think about a Michelin designated 1-star restaurant, 2-star restaurant. I will tell you, I don't know about the whole process and how it works, but I really enjoyed it. It hasn't disappointed. This is time number 2. It hasn't disappointed me. And so, Robert, thanks again. You're probably going to see Robert on future videos too, because he's not just a subscriber, he's my friend now. And we spend a lot of time having coffee and just hanging out.
A lot of coffee.
Lots of coffee. Probably against the law how much coffee we have. But thanks again for joining us, folks. Have a great day. If you feel so inclined, I'll take a coffee. Please buy me a coffee. I will see you in the next video. Take care.